Please join me on a tour of Implant Direct's manufacturing facility. This building was constructed in 1994 to house Corvent Bioengineering, one of my earlier companies. The name was eventually changed to Paragon Implant Company, and in 2001, Sulzer Medica, which was sold to Zimmer Dental, manufactured its implants in this facility for 3 years. In 2004, Implant Direct was formed to manufacture high-quality, cost-effective implants for the dental profession. Please join me on the tour. Welcome to Implant Direct. Please join me on the manufacturing floor. We're on the machine shop floor of Implant Direct. What you see here are 26 CNC machines, all acquired new since December 2004. The employees like Joe Morales, hello Joe, have been with me for many years. Joe's been with me 17 years. The average employee here has over 10 years of experience manufacturing dental implants. When we set up this facility in 2004 with all new equipment, we added to every machine oscilloscope monitoring equipment so that these machines can run 24/7, lights out, turning out perfect parts without any employees being present on the facility during the night hours. This helps reduce cost and improve quality. What you see here is an oscilloscope monitoring device. Once the program has been perfected and the parts are coming off the machine just the way we want them, limits are set on this oscilloscope reading that will monitor the machine and turn it off if anything goes out of tolerance. As the parts come off the machine, 100% are inspected here by what we call cell operators. And this is to assure that there are no burrs on the parts, and they're tested for tolerances, etc. You can see in the background all the machines and the cell operators functioning during the day. At night, these machines will be running by themselves, and you can view the operation on 5 cameras on our website, demonstrating that we truly have lights-out manufacturing capabilities. This is the room that manufactures the tiny drill bits that are used on the machine to make the implants. What is unique about our system that allows us to manufacture 24/7 is that each drill has a hole passed through the center of it, and each machine has a high pressure oil line onto it that pumps oil through the hole in the drill to cool the tip of the drill. This allows the drills to manufacture up to 200 parts without needing to be replaced, and that is necessary if we're going to run the factory all night without anybody here to change the tools. It also helps maintain very high precision because the tool isn't wearing rapidly. Once a machine is set up to run a new part, that part comes into the QA department to verify its dimensions and tolerances. One of the machines we use is this laser scanning machine that sends light through a profile of the part onto a screen and is programmed to measure 18 different dimensions on that part. It reads out on a chart, and we can verify that we have the exact dimensions we want. This machine is a digital and a 3D measuring device that allows us to measure depths and radiuses. So each part has to be approved to a very high standard of precision before the machine is allowed to run its production level. And we saw earlier that the production level parts are examined 100% on the floor. You're now viewing Implant Direct's Class 10,000 clean room, where the implants are assembled and are packaged. What you're looking at is an automatic capping machine. The implants then have labels applied in a different area and then are sent out for gamma radiation sterilization.